and at the end you will be able to find prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay students, first of all I would like to tell you about the factors. What is a factor? Okay, what is definition of factor? Factor, a number that divides evenly into another number. Means a number that divides a number completely. Evenly means completely into another number. Just like 56 divided by 8 is equals to, you know that 8 sevens are 56, so answer is 7. So 56 is completely divisible by 8, and then what is remainder? Remainder is 0, and what is your answer? 7. So 8 and 7 both are factors of this number. Means 8 and 7 both are factors of 56. Okay students, similarly you can find factors of every number. So here are some numbers up to 1 to 10, and there are given factors of these number. 1 has only one factor, mean 1 is only divisible by 1, so number of factors means is only 1. Then 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. So how many factors are there? 1 and 2. So number of factors means 2. Okay, then 3 is also divisible by two numbers, 1 and 3. 1 3s are 3 and 3 1s are 3. So number of factors 2. And 4 is divisible by 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 and 4. 4 1s are 4. So how many factors? 1 2 3. So number of factors 3. Similarly 5 is divisible by 1 and 5. So how many factors are there? There are only 2 factors. Okay, now 6 is divisible by 1. 1 6s are 6, 2 3s are 6, and then 3 2s are 6, and 6 1s are 6. So how many factors? 1 2 3 4. There are 4 factors. So number of factors is equals to 4. 7 is divisible by 1 and 7. So number of 1 and 2, number of factors 2. Then 8 is divisible by 1. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 4 2s are 8. And 8 1s are 8. So 1 2 3 4. So how many factors? 4. Number of factors is equals to 4. Then 9 is divisible by 1, and then 3 3s are 9, and then 9 1s are 9. 1 2 3, number of factors is equals to 3. Then 10 is divisible by 1, 2 5 and 10. So 1 2 3 4. How many factors? Number of factors is equals to 4. I hope it's clear to you students what is meant by factors and how you can find the factors of given numbers. Okay students, now I will tell you about prime numbers. So what is a prime number? Prime numbers are special numbers, or prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by, or that can only divisible by themselves and 1. Means prime numbers are those numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself or themselves. For example, 41 is a prime number because it can only be divided by 1 and 41 only. Okay, now you can check all the numbers which are given in this box. 2. We can check first 2. 2 is a prime number because 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. Then 47. 47 is a number. This can be divided by 1 and the number itself 1 and 47. Now 5. 5 is a prime number. Why? Because 5 can be divided by 1 and itself. Similarly, 31 is a number that can be divided by 1 and 31. Similarly, 11 can be divided by 1 and 11. Similarly, 23, 43, 37, 7, 17, 29, 3. These all are prime numbers. I hope it's clear to you students what is meant by prime numbers and how you can find the prime numbers. Okay students, let's find prime numbers of given numbers. Okay, let's check whether a number is a prime or not. So 11 is given to you. You can check this number is prime or not. So how you can check it? You know very well 11 is divisible by 1 and the number itself means 11 is divisible by 1 and 11. So how many factors? Only 2 factors are there. So this is a prime number. Okay students, next topic is composite numbers. So what is a composite number? Definition of a composite number is a number that has more than 2 factors. We have already discussed about factors students. You know very well now what are factors. Factors means a number which can completely divided by another number. So you have to check number if this number has 2 factor or more than 2 factor. If a number has more than 2 factors, then it means that this is a composite number. For example, the number is 8 and the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay, let me explain. 8 is divisible by 1. 1 8s are 8. Then 2 4s are 8. Then 4 2s are 8. And then 8 1s are 8. So what are how many factors are there? 1, 2, 4, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors are there. And there are 4 factors of 8. It means and 4 factors are more than 2. So it means that this is a composite number. Similarly, you can check every number. Is this a prime number or a composite number? In composite number, there are more than 2 factors, and in prime numbers, we can check what is the difference between prime numbers and composite. What is difference between prime number and composite number? You can check prime numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, and composite numbers have more than 2 factors. Okay, there are some examples of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and examples of composite numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 12 and 14. Okay students, 0 and 1 are neither prime number nor composite number. Why? Because in prime numbers you have 2 factors, but 0 has only 1 factor. 0 is only divisible by 0. Okay, then 1 is only divisible by 1. So both numbers have only 1 factor, which is not relevant to prime number or composite number. That's why both numbers are neither a prime number nor a composite numbers. This attention is very, very important. Okay students, there is an interesting activity for you. Okay, 1 to 90 counting is given to you. 1 to 90 numbers are given to you. You have to find out prime numbers from all these numbers. I think so you can easily find prime numbers and composite numbers. So just you have to find prime numbers. Okay, at the end here are all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. So you can easily check your answer from this. Okay students, your homework is that you have to show working of all these prime numbers. Means 2 is a prime number. You will show working of this. Means 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. Similarly 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. And 5 is divisible by 1 and 5, and up to so on. You have to show working of all prime numbers. Students, you have to show working like this. Means 2 is divisible by how many numbers, and every number 2, 19, 41, 29, 17, 5, all number you will show working of all prime numbers. This is your homework. I hope आपको सारा कुछ क्लियर हो गया होगा. This is very easy and interesting. So you can easily find prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay students, good luck. Allah Hafiz.